backyard beekeeper guy here again. Got this little nuke here. Just gonna do a quick inspection on it. This is one that it's a split I did. So I'm gonna open them up. This was made with queen cell. So I wanted to see. My notes aren't that great, so woohoo! Get them boiling out of there. My notes aren't that great, so I do not remember exactly the date. I put them in here. I should know that, but I don't. So I'm gonna open them up and see what's going on. Hopefully, we have a laying queen. That's what I'm hoping to see. So we haven't had the best weather, so I don't know that my queen was able to get out and get mated, so it's kind of the worry that I have. A lot of times I'll see the mating flights go on out in the yard. You'll see them, but the weather we have had has been kind of rainy lately. And there's a queen cell. You can see it on there, a little peanut. But it's open, so that means we have a queen that has emerged. And she should have plenty of time to have been mated. And the question is whether she is successful and if she is laying. So don't see any eggs or a queen on that frame. Only the queen cell. Oops. I'm hoping. And this frame is a super frame also. Oh yeah, cool deal. We have eggs, so oh my, we have lots of eggs. So our queen, she was successful, and she is here laying. So that is awesome. Yeah, a bunch of eggs in there. Awesome. And there she is. She's walking right here on the top of this frame. She come around this side now. It's hard for me to point her out. There you go. She's right here. Pretty girl right there. She'll walk back on the other side now. So yeah, she's there running around. Hopefully you can see her in video there. So this, she got out and got mated, and she's laying. So that is just awesome. Say these were swarm cells, and I just put what they needed over here in this box and let them make their own queen. Now this is heavy, so this is going to be honey in here. It's hard for me to see. This has got foundation in it, so I can tilt it. A lot of my frames are foundationless, so I don't like to tilt them too far sometimes. Yeah, he got a little bit of honey in there. Yep, and she's laid this side all full of eggs as well. And they're putting some honey in there. Very good. That's what you want to see. So it looks like they are doing great. I have 2 or 3 more of these. I'm going to check. And I'm hoping that I find that they are doing just as well. Say questionable weather. I didn't know if the queens would have much luck getting out and getting mated, so that's what worried me. Worrying really doesn't do us any good, does it? Anyway, Center those frames back up, and we're good to go. Close back up. Try not to smash any of those girls. Alright, backyard beekeeper guy here. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you shoot me a thumbs up and possibly leave me a comment if you don't mind. Love to hear what you guys are thinking and what you guys are doing out there. Anyway, until next time.